Friends, I'm Dr. Arshnoor, and today I'm going to talk about a quarantine time. So we all are spending time in our houses due to coronavirus, the disaster which has put us in the four wall of our house. We are not able to move out. We are not able to go to our offices, to the respective places. But see, so someone is suffering for ourselves to keep us protected. So let's enjoy this time with our family, with our friends, and apart from that, with our hobbies also. So if I talk about in the past, we could never find time to enjoy our hobbies and to spend time with our family and ourselves also. Now you have the time, first of all, to enjoy your freedom by chiseling your skills, work on your deficiencies. As I was deficient in computer or the digital world, I've started learning that. And many of the people, they would be finding problem with the communication skills. You can learn on that, because my next coming videos are coming on the communication skills, and especially I'm going to upload some of the videos where we can speak fluently without some phobias of ourselves. So today's topic is on the quarantine, so I'll work on that. So second thing, what I find that nowadays you can enjoy the time with the greenery, with our nature. So because I know that our best friend is our nature, so which was not found in its boom in the past, as we lost the real fragrance of the nature, as because so we could never find the sparrows, the birds uh, around us. And secondly, so there were too much pollution outside, and we really find difficulty while breathing properly. Third part was that we could never work on our hobbies. So as some people have the special instinct, because every person is born with some special qualities, but we could never find time to work on our hobbies. As someone is good at cooking, someone is at singing, someone is dancing. So maybe some of the people who want to do gardening, but they didn't find time earlier. So now this is the time that you can spend with your family, with your hobbies, with your interests. So if someone is good at gardening, you should start sowing some of the seeds, and when you find growing them, it will give you immense pleasure and happiness. Secondly, if someone is good at cooking, or you have the interest, because this is the most important thing to be learned by everyone. It is no more a cure of women only. Nowadays we can find the maximum number of the best chefs are the males. You too can learn that. So instead of regretting being present in the four wall of the house, we should try to enjoy this, because this is the time when we can work on ourselves to groom our personality, to groom our skills. So secondly, see, guys, just respect the people who have put their life at stake for ourselves. So those people do not have the liberty to stay at home. They too want to spend time with the family. They too want to spend time in their cozy atmosphere, the comfortable zone, but they can't. So the doctors, the nurses, they are the front warriors. They're fighting for us to keep ourselves safe at home. At least we can do this thing. So instead of repenting, instead of regretting on this time to be imprisoned in the four walls of our house, we should try to enjoy this time by spending with the family members, learning new skills, and updating ourselves on the internet also. So this was my first video which I'm going to upload right now. So hope you like this, because I'm going to start my English channel in a few days, and I need your support. If you like this video, please boost up my confidence by liking this video. Thank you so much. See you soon.